A lot of people talk to their neighbors or hear around town that a cracked slab is the end all be all. You got a cracked slab, now you got a foundation problem. Is this truth or is this a myth? The big question is a cracked slab a top indicator for foundation problems? I'm Austin with Anchor Foundation Repair, and I have heard this question a couple times now, and I understand the fear and concern that can set in when you start to see cracks in your slab. So to answer your question, short and simple, no. A cracked slab is not a top indicator for foundation problems at all. It's not even something we typically look for. We look for issues in the vertical planes, such as diagonal cracks, stair-step crack, door problems, things of that nature, to determine if you have a foundation problem going on at all. You could still have a cracked slab and have all the other problems, but a cracked slab alone is not going to be a top indicator for foundation settlement. What should you do from here? Well, if you are still super concerned and would like to determine if you might be experiencing a foundation problem, check for these signs instead. Check for those diagonal cracks, check for the stair-step cracks, check for door problems, doors that are not latching or locking, maybe even they're sticking and not able to close. Check for trim separation, other separations and trim inside the house, maybe it's exterior. And then you can also check for built-in separation like cabinets, countertops, other separations that are not natural to when the house was built or if you've done any remodels. To help out in discovering some of those other signs and symptoms that we typically look for as foundation inspectors, one, we're gonna put a link down in the description to a picture guide that contains examples of these real signs and symptoms of foundation settlement, some that might be misleading as well. The second link that we're gonna put in there is the complete guide to Brazos Valley foundation repair. It has a plethora of information in there and will help guide you on your foundation journey.